Here's how you can optimize your Pinterest account for business. So step one is to start a business account, and step two is going to be creating your profile. Now, when you create your profile, make sure to add your business name. If you have a logo or if you're a personal brand, just add your own image to the profile picture. Make sure to also then, as a next step, add 2 top keywords that your audience is searching your business with. So let's say that you're a jewelry brand who wants to promote, your business to other people who are searching for silver and gold jewelry. So make sure to add those 2 keywords in your bio, which is where people are going to find exactly what your business is about. And the last step for you to optimize your Pinterest account for business is to create boards with which your audience can find you with. Now, these boards are essentially categories or searches that people are going to make on Pinterest in order to find your business. So in the jewelry brand example, you can then be creating boards on silver jewelry, gold jewelry, etc. Like and subscribe for more such tips.